In this video, we will give you a quick overview of Scoop.it Content Director. Content Director is our enterprise software which helps marketers manage and publish content to their blog, social networks, and email newsletters. We also help you create a general content methodology for your business. The interface of Scoop.it Content Director is a calendar. This calendar is synced up with all of your publishing channels, such as a blog, social networks, and email newsletters. When I say synced up, what I mean is that we're showing you all activity that's going on this channel, such as what's been published already this week, what has yet to be published, and what you've scheduled for the future. You can also publish content directly from this calendar. For your blog, you can create original content or you can curate third-party content. For your social networks, you can also create original content or you can share existing content from your blog. This is a great way to get more exposure to an older blog post that maybe wasn't shared a lot the first time. If you decide you want to curate something, Scoop.it has a search engine that helps you find the most relevant and recent content from all around the web based on keywords that you provide. For example, if you were to type in content marketing, we're going to search through our database of over 40 million sources to find the most relevant, the most recent, and the most popular content. And we give you the option to share these posts to your social networks or to your blog or to both. If you decide you want to share something to your blog, you can scoop the article, and before it gets published, we give you a chance to edit the post. In this case, you can decide what the post will include from the original source. You can also add your own commentary on top of it. Scoop.it automatically pulls a title, a picture, and a quote from that article. We also link to that original source. However, we strongly encourage you to be writing your own personal commentary on top of this article. If you're doing this, a curated post will achieve the exact same results in Google as an original post in terms of SEO, traffic, leads, and brand awareness. It can also boost the credibility of your brand by sharing third-party relevant content. If you decide you want to change what we're providing, you can. If you don't like the picture, if you want to make it smaller, you can do that. You can also change the quote, and you can change the title. If you decide you want to add personal commentary, it's a very flexible editing window right here. When you want to publish it, you can either do that automatically based on the goals in the calendar, or you can publish it now or at a specific date or time in the future. If you're using WordPress, you can also decide which category this will go to in your website. To share to social media, all you have to do is check a box to the social networks you wish to share to. You get a preview of what that post will say. These will automatically link to the new post that we're about to create in your website, thus giving you awesome traffic, great leads, and great SEO value. When you're all ready to go, you can go ahead and click Publish, and this will create a blog post on your site. Another important piece of the Scoop.it software is our analytics. We have several trackers that you can install into your website that look for views, visitors, and leads on every piece of content that you have. And that includes your original posts as well. So if you're interested in views and visitors over time, we're going to show you how many posts you did over a certain day or a certain week or a certain month, how many visitors came into the site, how many views you have. Same thing for leads. We'll show you how many pieces of content you published on a certain day or certain week, and how many leads came into the site. We also give you a very granular view of every piece of content, original or curated, and how many views, shares, and leads this piece of content received. These analytics also come into play in our Opportunities tab. This tab gives you active recommendations on what you could be doing to publish more or get more out of your existing content. For example, if you want to publish more, we're going to show you keywords that have worked for you in the past that you haven't used in a while. Maybe these are keywords that would give you some awesome content again. If you want to get more out of your existing content, we'll let you know if you've got posts that need to be shared more, or aren't generating enough traffic, or maybe you have a missing call to action. So based on the analytics, we can tell if a post is going to achieve great traffic again by being promoted. For example, these posts got a lot of traffic when it was originally published, but they haven't been shared very much in a while. Directly from this dashboard, you can share them again to your social networks, or you can create a promotion schedule to get this post seen many times over the coming week or the coming month. Additionally, we strongly encourage you to create newsletters out of content. Newsletters can be sent through MailChimp, Marketo, Constant Contact, really any newsletter distribution system, but you can create them within Scoop.it. So here we're letting you know if you have posts that have not been published in a newsletter but exist on your blog. When you decide to want to create a newsletter, Scoop.it gives you a lot of options for how that newsletter can appear. You can create your own template, or you can use one of our existing templates. If you decide to use one of our existing templates, it's still very flexible once you decide to edit it. So what we're looking at here is a drag and drop interface showing you all of the content that exists in your WordPress site or any other type of blog, and giving you the option to drag it over here into the newsletter. You can also search through your blog and find older content based around a certain term. If I want to make a newsletter about SEO, it's going to give me all of my blog posts that involve SEO, and I can drag them directly into the newsletter. Once you do so, you can still make changes on the post. For example, this post has a lot of text. I'm going to cut that down. I'm going to make it just a couple of sentences. You can drag as many blog posts into the newsletter as you wish, and they can be coming from a mix of multiple categories or even multiple blogs. When you're ready to export the newsletter, you can do so either by sending it directly to MailChimp, or if you're using something else, you can download it as a zip file or copy-paste the HTML to upload into a new system. There are many other features of Scoop.it Content Director, so if you would like to have a demo, please request one with our sales team, either by going from this page and clicking on Get a Demo. You can also email us directly at business@scoop.it.